And also one thing is that whatever option you have, finish that also beforehand only. So that those 3 months are only for writing, practicing and revising. It may sound too much right now, but that's what all of us have done. We have completed our syllabus, and that was the mistake that I made in my first attempt also. First of all, I did not take any test series. What I used to do was I used to get like big bulks of test series at my home and start practicing those while listening to music. I did not even consider how much time I needed to spend. So I used to lavishly do those question papers. I thought I knew all. But once when I wrote the paper in the examination in a simulated condition, I realized that I could not even complete half of the paper because I had never done the paper in that condition. So do not write your test series at home because then what happens is that you're very relaxed. Condition in an examination hall is very different. You are under stress, so you take time to complete questions also. So always write those tests at a center where you are sitting with other people because most of us are scared of the person sitting in front of us. Most of us think that usko zyada aata hai. So that also puts a lot of pressure on our minds. So always attempt questions, always write test series in those conditions also so that your mind gets attuned to a certain condition. Another thing I would like to say is about the essay. Like you have to write 2 essays. So what I did was we choose which one on what topic हमें maximum material आता है वो ही जाके हम लिख देंगे. So उन दोनों में भी एक topic पे आपको better material आता होगा than the other one. So attempt that essay first and the next one second. That's what he said. जो आपको अच्छा आता है जो जिसमें आपको लगता है कि you can write beautifully well, that you attempt first and उसके बाद गंदा वाला लिख सकते हो. Then another trick which I would like to pass on is about completing your question paper. Most people think कि बहुत सारे questions हैं छूट जाएगा. That never happens. What I used to do is कि शुरू में ही जितने भी questions होते थे उसका मैं frame बना लेती थी. Within 1 hour I used to complete the question paper once. Blank spaces छोड़ के, like for example for any question there will be social, economic, political, legal effects to any question. Most of the questions in chart इसके अंदर I fall कर ही जाता है. So I used to write those economic effect of this, social effect of this. ऐसे करके spaces छोड़ जाता है. I fill in those spaces later. At least the examiner knows कि I'm covering a different perspective of the same question. तो उससे you're bound to think under that कि ये जो question अब लिख दिया मैंने इसका social effect होगा कुछ तो सोचना भी पड़ेगा. तो I will ultimately think and write. तो ऐसे करके I completed the entire paper. छोटा सबका definition लिख दिया हर question का एक little definition and ऊपर से broad structure बना दिया. ऐसे करके सारे 20 questions खत्म हो जाते थे वहाँ आके and then I had ample amount बीच में बैठ के अच्छे से I used to write कि क्या fill करना है. ऐसे करके the question मतलब the paper got completed. Then another thing I would like to pass is that do develop a hobby. This इतना ज़्यादा stress मत करेगा कि यही करे जा रहे हो. Means I only wrote 1 means and that in that means only I started learning guitar. So I used to spend 1 hour कि भाई पूरे दिन you stressing out so much. So at least there should be 1 hour of whatever activity you like. वो जाके आप कर लो and do not even compromise on your sleep. I remember even during our exams जो होते थे back to back होते थे 6-7 days. So I have मतलब उसमें भी I think most of us have revised well and slept enough. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि एक घंटा आप एंड में ज़्यादा दे दोगे तो आपके ज़्यादा मार्क्स आ जाएंगे. So plan your studies in such a way that you have completed the syllabus in well in time so that you're relaxed at the end. That's all I would like to say. Thank you.
Last point from our side, I'm just re-emphasizing what Pratap said about answer writing and test series. So Pratap was sitting where you are sitting
last year,
1 year back, and now he's sitting on the podium. So what is that? Initially you would write bad answers, okay, but you have to write bad answers. Only then would you develop the ability to write good answers. See, some people are extraordinary. They would just go in the examination and write wonderful answers. But all of us are not wonderful. If you are like me or like Pratap, you would write bad answers. You would like absolutely pathetic answers, but you would not improve. You would not improve until and unless you keep on writing the answer. You have to take the plunge, and for that, join a test series. I would strongly recommend, if you can, join a test series.
very important.
It's very important. Be regular.
Sunday to Sunday.
Sunday to Sunday in the test center. Write answers, get them evaluated. Evaluate answers yourself. Improve every day, improve every week, and I'm sure you will do the best. Okay, so all the best from our side. Thank you very much.